The way we access healthcare is changing fast, and technology is putting doctors right back at the center. AI-powered doctor apps are redefining how care is delivered, smarter, faster, and more connected than ever. Instead of building massive healthcare ecosystems that take years to launch, doctor-focused apps are giving clinics, hospitals, and individual practitioners their own virtual ecosystem, fast, precise, and scalable. Imagine a doctor managing multiple clinics, juggling appointments, patient records, and follow-ups. An AI-powered doctor app unifies everything in one secure platform. Patients can book, consult, and receive prescriptions online, while doctors access records, manage schedules, and let AI handle summaries in seconds. That's the power of an AI doctor app, focused, regional, and built for real-world efficiency. The opportunity for AI-powered doctor apps has never been bigger. Across the world, technology is transforming how doctors work, consult, and manage their patients. Startups like Brew, which turns doctor-patient conversations into structured medical notes, have raised over $300 million in 2025 at valuations touching $5 billion. Hippocratic AI, building non-diagnostic AI agents to assist clinicians, secured $141 million in 2025 at a $1.6 billion valuation. AI is rapidly changing how doctors work. Startups like Brew, Hippocratic AI are proving that technology can simplify medical workflows and patient interactions. Yet most independent doctors still rely on manual systems. That's where AI-powered doctor apps thrive. They help doctors digitize appointments, records, and consultations across multiple locations within a city, a county, or even an entire state, bringing enterprise-level efficiency to smaller practices while remaining scalable for larger hospital networks. They focus purely on what matters: doctor-patient interaction and continuity of care. Whether it's a small clinic in Lagos, a dental practice in London, or a specialist network in Sydney, this model scales easily while keeping the doctor at the center. Let's take a quick look at how that ecosystem works in action. Our doctor ecosystem consists of an user app for patients, the doctor app, and the admin panel, which provides a complete business control. Let's take a closer look. We start with the user app for the patients. On opening the app, they are greeted with a friendly welcome message with their overall health score. Right below, quick actions provide instant access to the many options like AI symptom checker and many more. At the bottom of the screen, the navigation menu offers quick access to the dashboard with some other feature. If the user clicks on the AI symptom checker, then they can pick a symptom they are facing and choose severity. Then the AI gives instant analysis with urgency and suggestions. Users can also add more symptoms, like back pain, and the AI combines everything to provide them an overall report with clear recommendations. Booking an appointment is very simple. Users can choose the consultation type, select a doctor, pick a date and time, and confirm. All upcoming appointments, as well as available doctors, are clearly displayed. In the health monitoring section, there are important aspects of wellness like vitals, fitness, sleep, and devices. Users can track their heart rate, blood pressure, daily steps, and quality of sleep hours, and can also see their connected devices for real-time monitoring. Next is the medication section. Users can view their active prescriptions and set reminders according to the prescription given by their doctor. In medical records, users can access an overview, lab results, prescriptions, and visit history. Details include which doctor they consulted, medications prescribed, and upcoming visits. It keeps all records secure and easy to find. After the user clicks on the AI health chat, which offers personalized immediate guidance on diet and exercise, and they can schedule an appointment. Finally, the profile section allows users to manage their personal details, past appointments, prescriptions, notification settings, and privacy preferences. With all these features combined, AI makes the user app more accessible, personalized, and seamless, which helps patients to track, manage, and to improve their health anytime and anywhere. When a doctor logs in the app, The dashboard shows key metrics like appointments, monthly patients, and satisfaction rate with a summary of recent consultations. The quick action buttons help the doctor to start a consultation. In the appointment section, all bookings are organized into pending, confirmed, and completed, making it easy to track every patient. Next, in the patient management section, which allows doctors to view all patients and filter them according to their condition. The calendar option helps doctors to plan daily schedules and upcoming appointments efficiently. Finally, the profile section displays professional details and gives access to notifications, privacy, and payment settings. With our AI Doctor app, the doctors have everything they need to manage appointments, track patient health, and get AI-assisted insights, all from one intuitive interface. The first thing you see is the dashboard. Here, you get an instant overview of active patients, latest appointments, critical alerts with AI recommendations, and all recent activities, all in one glance. Next is the AI scheduling. Admin can switch between day, week, or month views, create new appointments, check schedules, and use AI-powered quick actions for maximum efficiency. Next is the real-time monitoring. It tracks server uptime, database response, and memory usage. The Patient Vital dashboard monitors blood pressure, temperature, and heart rate, sending instant alerts for urgent cases. With the smart prescription system, doctors can manage active, pending, and completed prescriptions, perform drug lookups and export reports, supported by the AI-powered drug alerts. Next is the EHR and EMR integration. It combines patient records and analytics in one place, tracking medical history with AI-driven insights. Next is the inventory section. It ensures medications, equipment, and supplies are always available, with predictive alerts and bulk order management. Next is the voice documentation. It saves hours with high-accuracy transcription of notes, prescriptions, and even surgeries. Then we have the AI Assistant. It provides diagnostic guidance, treatment recommendations, and prescription support, helping healthcare professionals save hours of manual work. Next is the user management section. It tracks users, roles, permissions, and sessions. Analytics highlight patient satisfaction, wait times, no-shows, and departmental performance for better decision-making. Though we have audit logs, it monitors system events and risks, while support tickets organize issues by status and priority for quick resolution. Last is the settings. From this, admins can configure security, notifications, backups, and maintenance, ensuring smooth operations. With all these tools, our AI-powered admin panel empowers doctors, streamlines clinic and hospital operations, and enhances patient care across the board. The next chapter of healthcare belongs to doctors who go digital first. AI-powered doctor apps make that shift simple, secure, scalable, and built around the doctor-patient bond. At Brew Labs, we build platforms that do exactly that. From patient booking to consultation management, we design, develop, and deploy working AI-powered products that doctors can start using within 30 days. So click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and let's design your own AI-powered doctor app, one that grows with every patient you serve. Your patients are already online. It's time your clinic was too. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.